Hello. This past week I had a very important request from a very important person. My mother. Yes. She was so happy with the videos about the flag and about the aterro do Flamengo. So she started saying a lot of things. And
Cris, que paisagens maravilhosas. Vai para Páginas Verdes segunda-feira. Maravilha das maravilhas. Uma coisa que eu gostaria é que quando terminasse um desses vídeos, você botando a bicicleta, dobrando, para eles verem dentro do carro. Acho aquilo um espetáculo.
And she said that she's so impressed because sometimes I go for a ride and then go have lunch with them on Sundays usually. And after lunch, I put my Brompton in their car. And she said that she's so impressed with it, how this big bicycle gets so small and fits in every car. I said, okay, Mom, I'll do it. So I start thinking, and I remember 3 things that you should be aware of when you put your Brompton in the car. So I'm gonna show you. It's a special request video. Very, 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 very important.
The great thing about the Brompton is that you can fold it, put in your car, and take anywhere you want. That's cool, isn't it? Yes. So let me show you 3 things that you should be aware of when you fold your bicycle and put in the car, so it won't damage your car or darling bro. Well, the first thing you have to be aware of is when you fold it, okay, it's all folded up, okay? Open your trunk, that's the easy part. But there's one thing, first step. If you noticed, this part here is flatter. You should always lean your Brompton on this side, and never on that side. The side of the handlebar, never put it like this, you know, would cause too much stress for your bicycle. And this way, there's no problem. So every time that you have to lean your bike, lean it like this. Let's put in the trunk. What a burst today. It's not a sunny day, but there's some raining coming up. So first thing, grab your Brompton. Usually I grab it by the wheel and this part of the frame, but be careful because this part here is dirty, so sometimes, so just grab by the wheel and the frame and just lay it down. So this is the easy one. So this first step is always lay down on the side against the handlebar, so it won't damage all your little equipment. Let's go for the next one. The next one is simple. So the second tip, check this out. The second tip is don't leave it standing up without some protection, because if you break the car or if you do a strong curve, you fall down and you get hurt. In my case here, I don't have any place that can leave it standing up, so I always carry here, or another place I'm going to show you. I love to carry there. I get carry. You can also put on top of the seat, but if you do, put a seat belt. Yeah, fun is in. It helps. The place that I like to carry my Brompton is, let me show you. It's a great place because sometimes I leave it there and nobody sees it. Check it out. I put the seat all the way to the front, okay, and hide it right there. For that comes the third tip. Always, when you put your Brompton inside your car, the Brompton has like pedals and sticky points, so be aware. Do it slowly. So the tip is, do it with care and very slow. Let me show you. So grab the Brompton the same way, you know, and do it, but very slowly. Okay, I know you can see it. Hold on. I put it as black part. And then I moved the seat backwards. Okay, hiding in plain sight. Let me show you. From outside, gone. So sometimes useful. Yes, for long rides, I put it there because you get so protected. It doesn't move, so it's perfect. I like it. I like it because it's so protected. It doesn't move, see? It doesn't go anywhere after you put the seat back. Oh, it's perfect. And there's no problem to hurt my car. And when I put the cover on top, nobody sees it. So this is my favorite way to carry my Brompton. When I just go in and out, I just put in the trunk. But if I'm gonna carry for a long time, places that have curves, you know, long rides, I'll put it here. A lot more protected.
So, Mom, I hope you did like it. I love it. I never thought about those little things that I have to pay attention before I put my Brompton inside of the car. We do automatic, so sometimes we do not think about it. I hope you did like it too. And if you did, please, thumbs up. Yes, this helps the channel because other people see, oh, that's a good video, let's see it. And if you didn't subscribe, yes, please do. And the little bell. This little bell tells YouTube that you want to know all about my videos. So what happens is, the longer videos come up I'll post them on Saturdays, but the quick tips come up whenever they happen, because sometimes I realize that, oh, okay, this is a good thing to share with you, and I post it. So hope you like it. Bye bye, Mom. Hope you like it.